hey guys, let's add some camera shake to our camera motion. You can also do this on a still camera, but you do need 2 keyframes set up at least so you can do this properly. So I just have a basic track forward and let's get straight into it. So head over to your animation tab and then open up your graph editor by hitting this drop down and selecting your graph editor. Then you'll see your animation the different transforms you're animating over here. So we want to change our X rotation as we go. And so what that will look like is, let me just go ahead and select one of these and change it real quick, just for demonstration purposes. And as you can see, we have some slight upward movement. Obviously, that's only moving it by 1 degree. So if I were to move it way up there, we can see that we have the X looks up and it goes down. So I'm gonna undo that real quick. So that's what we want to change for our camera shake. You can do this with offset or anything, whether you're working on a curve or the camera's moving by itself. So let's use the X Euler rotation. And then we will go over and select modifiers in the tab right here. Make sure you have the tab selected. Otherwise, the modifiers won't show up if you don't have it selected. Then add yourself a noise, and that will add this craziness. And I'm going to hit the tilde and frame selected just so I can focus on my keyframes here. I'll press A. And then we want to increase this scale so it's not nearly as much. And we also want to lower the strength to like a 0.1. So if I hit play now, like this, we can see that there is some slight X movement happening in the camera, as opposed to the original. As if I were to take this influence and move it to a 0, we can see that it's just a basic track forward. But if I increase it to a 1, we can now see the camera's moving up and down with some nice ebb and flow. So let's also do that to the Z location so we get some sort of jittering up and down, like maybe an earthquake's happening, or maybe a volcano's erupting, who knows, but let's just do that. So I'll frame those in my view, add another modifier, noise, and if we hit play, we can see some jitter already happening right here. And that's how you add camera shake. It's really easy. You just add it to the different components and you can do it individually, or you can add it to multiple at once. So if I were to select these 2 at the same time, you can hit modifier and then where's noise? There it is. And it adds it to both at once, just like that. And now we have craziness happening on the screen. Way too much for me, so I'll undo that. But yeah, that's how you can add some basic camera shake to your camera animations. And if you want to have a still camera, like it stays in the same spot, but the rotation's kind of jittering, just simply keyframe it at the start where it is, and then location rotation, keyframe it at the end, location rotation, and the exact same spot, and then add your noise, and you should be good. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped. If you need help with some other camera stuff, I have a whole playlist, so check that out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.